Did you know that you could make a ridiculous amount of money online by just typing words? I know, it sounds too good to be true. But stick with me until the end of today's tutorial, and I'll show you exactly what to do step by step to turn this into a reality. Once you set this system up properly, you can leave it on autopilot mode, which means money will be rolling in pretty passively. By the way, you don't have to pay for anything or invest a dime into today's strategy. And you also don't need to have any fancy skills or experience. All you need is your device, a working internet connection, and the steps that I'm about to lay out for you in this short and detailed video. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute and to my bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping along the way. If today's video sounds great to you, smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and let's dive straight into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. Today's strategy is going to be really simple and really easy, as it requires no selling whatsoever. And I'm going to explain to you in detail, step by step, how to set it up. And I'm even going to give you something for completely free, which is going to help you make a lot of money with this method. So be sure to stay alert for that. Before we get into this, I actually want to show you proof that this works and that it's worth your time. So you can see people are being paid every single day with this website. And these people are from all over the world. I mean, look at all these different countries that people are living in. And you can select any payment option you prefer. So if you want to get paid with PayPal, you can do that. If you want to get paid with Bitcoin, you can do that. You can get paid through Payoneer, and all of the other payment options are also available for you to choose from. So you can just select how you want to get paid, and you can withdraw your money every single day. Now, step number 1, which we have to complete before we get to the website that's going to be paying us and sign up to it for absolutely free, is heading on over to youtube.com. Now, don't worry, you will not have to film videos, you will not have to post any videos, you won't be publishing any type of videos. You basically won't have to show your face or film anything. So don't worry about that. Just come over to youtube.com and you want to search for different self-improvement videos, like maybe on how to be more confident, maybe on how to eat, how to be more healthy, how to exercise more efficiently, and everything related to mindset. So, for the sake of this video, I will be searching for how to be more confident, and that's going to show me all of these different videos that are getting millions of views. Like quite literally, this video has 8.3 million views, this one has 2.5 million views, and so on and so forth. So it's proven that a lot of people are attracted to this type of content. A lot of people are interested in this topic, millions of people in fact. And I mean, it's a common problem. A lot of people would like to be more confident, and there's nothing bad about it. And today, my friend, you will be helping those people for absolutely free. And on the back end, you will be making a lot of money on complete autopilot mode. And no, you won't be selling anything, nor will you have to create this type of video. So what I want you to do is, I want you to find a couple of those videos, whatever you prefer, then open up, let's say for example, I want to see this one. I will just click on this video, and then underneath the video, I want you to click right here where it says share. And I want you to copy the link that takes people to this video. So this is the link. I want you to copy that, and once you copy the link that takes people to that video, I want you to come over to uii.io. This is a website where you can get paid for every visitor that visits your URL. So whenever someone clicks on your link, you can get paid with this website. And the way this works is you sign up for absolutely free through this website, you paste your long link in there, they will shorten the link for you, and whenever someone clicks on that shortened link, you will get paid. The reason you're being paid is because when they click on that link, they're first sent to a landing page for ads. They will be shown some ads, and they can skip those ads, and they can go to the website. So essentially, uii.io is splitting the ad revenue with you. which is really smart. And the reason we are using this website is because it's really good. I tested it out and it has a really high payout. In fact, they claim that they have the highest rate. Now, to get started with this website, just go over to uii.io and click on the Sign Up Free, this button over here. So you can create an account, and you can do so by creating a unique username for your account. Then enter your email address, create a password, retype the same password, click that you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and just click register. Once you create a brand new account, this is what it's going to look like. Here in the dashboard, you will be able to track your earnings, you will be able to track your clicks, how much money you've made, and here on the left-hand side, you will be able to withdraw your money. So, once you have enough, you can cash out and you can spend that money on whatever you want to. Comment down below what you would spend money on. For now, since it's a brand new account, it's obviously going to say $0, but we're about to change that real soon. So right here it says a new shortened link, and I want you to click on that so you can shorten the URL that takes people to a particular video. Having a long URL can just look unattractive and untrustworthy. So, shortening a link just helps make people want to click more. So, you can paste that URL here and click shorten. Now, you will get this specific URL, and whenever people click on it, you will get paid, and you will get paid per each 1,000 clicks. And don't worry, because I'm going to share a platform with you which you can use free of charge to advertise these links to millions of people every single day. And you just need to do the work once if you follow all the steps from this video. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's not any social media platform, don't worry about that. But before we proceed to that platform, you will need to come over to Linktree. And this is an absolutely free landing page builder. So you can add multiple links and that way maximize your results. You will see exactly how that works. So just come over to Linktree, click on Get Started for Free so that you can sign up for a free account by entering your email address, by creating a unique username, by creating a password, retyping the same password, and then just click register. Once you create a Linktree account, this is what it's going to look like. And this is what it's going to look like once you log into your account. Here on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see your landing page. This is how it's going to look like, and this is your specific link. Whenever someone clicks on this link here, they're being sent to this page. Now, on this particular page, you can host different shortened links, and that way you can make money on autopilot mode. Stay tuned to see exactly how it works. I know it might be a little bit confusing right now, but just stick with me. For now, you will need to click on Add a New Link. You can title this one whatever that YouTube video is about. So for example, I can even just copy this YouTube video's title, and I can paste it over here. And now, instead of pasting this direct link from YouTube, I will go back to this website, to this platform, and I will copy the shortened link and I will paste it over here. That way, as you can see, whenever someone comes to this landing page, they will be able to see how to be confident in any situation. They can click on that, and that will take them to a video. They will watch the video, they will be satisfied because it's helping them for absolutely free, and I'm also going to be satisfied because I will make money from this website, and I will get paid per each click. Now, the more links you add to this landing page, the more money you will be able to make, because the more clicks you can attract. So I will go back and I will find more videos, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Open up more of these YouTube videos and copy their URLs. You can just click share and just copy this URL, go back to this website, paste the link over here, click shorten, and then just grab that shortened URL, copy that, go back to Linktree, click on add new link, and just repeat the process until you have multiple links on your landing page. Once you have all of those links hosted on your landing page, you can grab the URL for this landing page. This is your unique URL, and whenever someone clicks on it, they will be sent to this page. As you can see, this looks really nice, and it was absolutely free to create this page and to host it with Linktree. Now, I have all of these different buttons and different links that people can click on, and I will get paid for each and every click. Now, all I actually need is to drive targeted traffic to this page so I can get those clicks, and for that, as I promised you at the beginning of this video, I have prepared this entire article, this entire script, which I'm gonna give to you free of charge. I'm gonna give you this for absolutely free just because you've been paying attention to this video all this time and been supporting me. So here, we talk a little bit more about confidence and its benefits and whatnot. And this is a really nice and useful article that people can read. But inside of this article, I added this section, top 3 videos to boost your confidence. And here, where you see this dot, I want you to paste your Linktree link. So, as you can see now, whenever someone starts reading this article, they will come across this section, Top 3 Videos to Boost Your Confidence. They will be intrigued, since that is what they are interested in. As they are reading this article, they will click on that, they will be sent to this page, where they have all of these different buttons that they can click, and each time they click, you make money on complete autopilot mode. It's a really great strategy, and it works like crazy. But stay tuned to see where you will need to share this article and where you will need to share this script. Now, I highly recommend you add your Linktree link in multiple places, not only just in one place, because that way they might miss it. But if you put it in multiple places, there's a higher chance of the link being clicked and people taking further action. Now, I will leave this entire script in the description box down below, so you can just copy and paste it. I'm not going to grab your email or whatever. It's all absolutely free, no strings attached. Just make sure to add your own Linktree link so this will actually work. And once you do, just go to File, go to Download, and go to Microsoft Word or any other document you prefer. I will go with Microsoft Word, and once you do that, you will need to proceed to the last platform that we will be using, which is called slideshare.net. So, this is over at slideshare.net, where millions of people gather to read different articles on many different topics. And there are a lot of articles that are related to confidence and self-improvement. And just as an interesting fact for you to know, if I pull up my tool called SimilarWeb, that's going to show us that over 169 million people visit this website every single month. And you can share your article on here for absolutely free. So you have a potential of reaching hundreds of millions of people with this website. It's just insane. Now, obviously, you will probably not get 100 million clicks, but this still gives you an idea of how many clicks you can get for absolutely free with this website and how much potential this has. So let me just show this. If I type in confidence in this search bar over here, you can see that people are sharing those types of articles. People are interested in this. So just come over to slideshare.net, click on the sign up button right here, create an absolutely free account, and once you do, just go to the upload page, click on select files to upload, double click on the document, and you will be able to publish it on this website and people can start reading it. Now bear in mind, if all of you guys copy this same article, this same script, it will probably not work the best for everyone, because people might start noticing it. So that's why I highly recommend you try to write your own articles in different topics that doesn't necessarily need to be about confidence. But it surely can be about self-improvement, and you can try out and test out with different categories and different niches, and see what gets you the most clicks. You saw that it was really simple, it was really easy, it doesn't require a lot of time, but it can definitely make you decent amounts of passive income, and it's all absolutely free with no investment needed. So, I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.